Hey munchkins, welcome back. I'm officially sorry about the noise outside. There is some construction going on, but I'm having these sugar cravings, and you know that you're a sugar addict when you want to make all these sweet healthy treats. I mean, even if you eat healthy but you still want sugary treats. So this week I am making some sweet treats. That is what the theme for this week is for me. So I'm going to share 2 sweet treats that you can have. They are super healthy, they are vegetarian, and you can definitely try this and have them. For me, I'm going to do a sugar detox next week because I realize like I'm having all these sugar cravings and I just want to spoil myself with all these sweet treats. So because of that, I'm going to do a sugar detox, and I will share the link with you guys at the end of the week. But aside from that, that is not the point of this video. I want to share with you my exciting 2 recipes in 2 different episodes. So this first recipe is going to be almond peanut butter chocolate bars. So the only ingredients you're going to need for this actually are so simple. For those who do homemade almond milk like I do, I have like some almond pulp left, so I'm going to use that almond pulp. So basically what you need is almond pulp, almond butter, peanut butter, smooth or chunky depending on what you like, and then almonds. I added some raisins, so you will need some raisins, coconut oil, and last but not least, cacao powder to make the chocolate syrup. So let's head over to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to do this. So of course I'm going to use my air dried almond pulp, and then I'm going to add some almond butter. Also, I want to let you guys know that for the full recipe details, I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below where you can get those. So then just add almond butter, some coconut oil, and then mix it all together. This is the best that we're going to put on our chocolate bars. So just mix it all together and make sure everything is mixed together, and then put it in a bowl. But when you put it in a bowl, put it in preferably a square bowl. This one was big, so I changed it eventually, you will see that. And yeah, press it down to make a square. The spatula didn't work, so I had to use my fingers, of course. So I just made a square shape and just put it in the fridge like that until it firmed up. And then in the same bowl, I'm just going to add some peanut butter, because the next level, which is the filling, I want it a little bit chunky, sorry. So I'm just going to add some peanut butter, and then add some fresh almonds just chopped, and then some coconut oil, and that's it. And then I'm going to mix it. Oh no, that's not it. I have to add some raisins in here because I did use some raisins. And then yeah, that's it. Just mix it all together. Make sure everything is mixed up nice and smooth, well, to a consistency that you like. Then after we had put this in the fridge for about the base in the fridge for about an hour. So after that, you just put the peanut butter mixture on top of that, and then after that we're just going to put it in the fridge and leave it there to firm up for like 2 more hours. Yeah, that's what I did. While that is firming up, well, when it's almost done firming up, I'm going to melt our chocolate. I forgot to mention in the beginning, I used some chocolate chips, which is dark chocolate, 70% cacao, a tablespoon of coconut oil, then some cacao powder. And I used this mixture for this recipe plus the next recipe, and I even have some leftovers, so it wasn't that much chocolate. So after it firms up in 2 hours, it's not very solid, it's a little bit still soft. Just chop this up into squares or any shape that you like. I decided to make little squares and then dip it in the chocolate, but this looks so good even before you dip it in the chocolate. I didn't want to dip all of them personally. I wanted some of them with chocolate and some with no chocolate. So yeah, that is what I did, and I put them back in the fridge for 24 hours and they were ready. So you guys can see it's super simple and super easy to make like really healthy treats. So I have mine here, and I'm just going to try one for you guys. I keep it in a mason jar. You can keep it in whatever it is you like. Oh my god, it's crunchy. To me personally, I like crunchy stuff, so I hope you guys really like this recipe and try it. And if you try, guys, don't forget to tag me and share with me. I'd really like to see your creations. I'm sorry I'm eating, but if you like this video, guys, and found it helpful or like the treats, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and to the next video, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Subscribe subscribe to my channel and ring the bell right next to it to be notified when that video comes up. Alright guys, see you guys in 2 days. Bye.